Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Sony ULT FIELD free speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily install this app for your iPhone and how to set up this speaker with your application. So, at first you have to open the App Store and here you have to click on search. In the search bar you have to search for Sony Sound Connect. Here, as you can see, we have Sony Sound Connect. You have to click on that and click this button to get our application. If you have the get button, you have to click on the get button and authorize yourself using the Face ID or Apple ID password. Now we have to wait until our app downloads. As you can see here now, our application is installed. We have to click open here. And please remember that the best way to connect is that you have to connect with your speaker before pairing with your application. Now we have to select our region here from this list, as you can see here, and tap I read the above contents and agree. Start. Here we have to tap next, agree and start using, ask app not to track, of course, and click allow. Here allow. And now we are collecting. Here now we have to click OK because our application automatically connected to our speaker. Here we can click continue without restoring. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.